Hi everyone, this video will help you with the C major scale. I'm going to take you through every fingering. First we have open C, which is the third string. Now we're going to move up to D, second finger on the second fret of the C string. Now we're going to play an open E, which is the second string. Now we're going to play an F, which is the first finger on the first fret of the same E string. And now we're moving up to G, and we're playing our third finger also on the E string on the third fret. And now we're moving down to the bottom first string and playing A open. And now we're putting our second finger on the second fret of A to play B. And now we're putting our third finger on the third fret of A to play C. Now you might have noticed I played each note 8 times. On your second way through the scale, try playing it 4. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Then after that you could try it 2 times. Then finally 1 time. And if that gets boring, you can go backwards. C major scale.